Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find the sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll and find this ringtone section, and as you can see, the phone ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first one and different for another one. So let's open it, and you can choose the SIM card here. I will pick the first SIM card. Right here we've got the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. We've got at the very bottom we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And at the top we've got also music on device and video ringtones. So for example, if you've got something downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here. As you can see, we've got different categories, and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So maybe, for example, this one, and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I wish to set this water song as my ringtone. So just tap on apply next to it. Here you've got the confirmation. We can go back, and as you can see, it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.